Victim advocates and immigration attorneys want people to know about options available to people without documentation who are victims of crimes.
In some cases, they can receive legal immigration. They can receive legal immigration services and status here in the United States. Here's 9 News reporter Angeline McCall.
Just a few weeks ago, a home invasion in Aurora where 2 Venezuelans were kidnapped and assaulted. In crimes like this, immigration attorneys and advocates want people to know when they do step forward to report crime, it could lead to more than just charges.
There are also benefits that are available and some sort of protection that's available to folks who have reported crimes.
McKenna Newsom-Schoenberg works with the Justice and Mercy Legal Aid Center, also known as JAMLAC, to help people submit immigration applications after they are victims of crime.
It's really important, right? And so you've survived something that could be terribly traumatic.
Some victims may be eligible to apply for a U visa if they cooperate with the police investigation. It's typically for more serious crimes, including kidnapping and felony-level assaults.
Reporting a crime to law enforcement can be scary and intimidating, but it is really important for a plethora of reasons that we continue to loop law enforcement in when there's something that is criminal going on in our lives.
There's currently around 300,000 applications pending, with a wait time of about 30 years.
You know, hearing that number I think can be discouraging at face value, right? Hearing 30 years is not something that we want to hear.
But some people can receive a work permit before a final decision is made.
I think the prospect of being able to potentially get a work permit to work lawfully in this country is a huge motivator for people.
Ultimately, the protection can mean victims are less fearful to come forward and hopefully curb crime in the process.
Some sort of justice can come from reporting these crimes, I think is really important, and I think that's kind of at the foundation of why we have these benefits in place for folks.
Besides a U visa, there are other options as well for people. For instance, this all depends on their circumstances. People can apply for what's called a VAWA if they're abused at the hands of a U.S. citizen or a lawful resident who is their spouse. That process takes about 3 years, and there is another visa available as well for victims of trafficking who are undocumented. Angela McCall, 9 News.